Okay, children. Good morning, everybody. So today we will discuss regarding subatomic particles. Okay. So I hope you know that three important subatomic particles. Subatomic particles. This is the atom. Dalton told that atom cannot be divided further, but discovery of electron by Thomson, discovery of proton by Goldstein, and discovery of neutron by Chadwick proved that atom can be divided further, and the particles which are present in an atom, okay, are known as subatomic particles. So there are many particles, but three important particles are there which we will be using daily in the study of chemistry, that is electron, proton and neutron. So here some few points are there, informations are there, okay, data is there, you should know. The discoverer of electron is Thomson, and its mass is 9.18 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, children. Okay. And proton mass is 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. 1.675, okay. If we consider up to 2 digit after decimal, the mass of proton and neutron are more or less same. So these are the mass, you have to remember, right? And this is the relative mass. So you can see that electron is 1837 times smaller, less than proton. So that's why mass of electron is negligible during calculation of atomic mass and all. We generally neglect. Charge minus 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. Proton charge 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Relative charge minus 1 plus 1, like this. And according, if you know the charge, okay, children, and if you know the mass, okay, you can calculate E by M ratio also, right? E by M ratio. So please calculate E by M ratio of an electron. Please calculate E by M ratio. E by M ratio मतलब charge by M, charge.
Yes, sir. Sir, any noise is coming from my background because some disturbance is there beside my house.
Mute yourself.
Sir, beside my house, you check once
Okay,
if
sir.
any noise is coming.
Till now it's
Sir,
not
can you
coming.
please scroll up, sir?
Till now
Okay,
it's
sir.
not coming.
Okay, sir. Then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
If some noise is coming, please mute yourself, or otherwise put me in the chat box immediately.
Yes, sir.
So calculate the E by M ratio of electron. Be quick.
Sir, can you scroll up a little bit?
Yeah, I can scroll up.
Okay, sir. And sir, sir, in the charge of proton, sir, it is 4 into 10 to the power minus 20 or 10, sir.
Minus 10, minus 10.
Okay. And sir, what is the full form of RM, sir?
Where is RL?
Sir, RM, sir.
Relative mass, relative mass.
Sir, and sir, RC, relative charge.
Relative charge.
Sir, in the neutron, who discovered, sir, what is written?
Sir, some background noise is coming.
Sir, I have written the name in chat.
Yes. What you told, beta?
Sir, after neutron, what is written in discoveries?
Chadwick.
James Chadwick.
Chadwick.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, in charge, that ESU, what is its name? What is it called?
Electrostatic unit, beta.
Oh, okay.
Electrostatic unit. Can you calculate charge by mass ratio?
Yes, sir, doing sir.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, do we have to memorize that above table?
Yeah. You have to memorize.
Focus.
Sir, 0.1745 into 10 to the power 12. Sorry, sir, minus.
Only put the value only. No need to use the sign.
Sir, then 0.1745 into 10 to the power plus 12.
The answer will be 1.76 into
4
10
into 10
to
to
the
the power
power 11 coulomb per kg.
3 coulomb per
Yes,
kg.
sir.
And in same
Sir,
way,
can you scroll up once?
calculate E by M ratio of a proton.
Okay, sir.
Okay. proton, right?
Yes, sir.
Whose E by M ratio will be more, electron or proton?
Sir,
Proton.
electron.
Electron.
Electron. Because those who have less M will have more E by M ratio.
Yes, sir.
Whose E by M ratio is constant?
The neutron.
The neutron, sir.
Electron. Neutron don't have E by M ratio because it don't have charge.
Yes, sir. 0.
And proton E by M ratio, it is actually not proton. If we tell about nucleus E by M ratio is not constant, okay? Because in nucleus, number of proton is getting various value, okay?
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the EM ratio of an electron, sir, the charge will be, sir, minus 1.602, na, sir?
But I told you, no need to put the no need of minus sign. We want the magnitude.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no need of sign.
Okay, sir.
Sir, 9.576 into 10 to the power 7 coulomb per kg.
Yes, the E by M ratio is of proton, okay? 9.58
Yes, sir.
into 10 to the power 7 only.
Yes, sir.
See, it is very, very smaller than electron.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And if the question is there, calculate E by M ratio of a nucleus. The nucleus mass will be variable, okay?
Okay, sir.
Nucleus mass is not constant. Nucleus mass is not constant, okay?
Okay, sir.
Suppose hydrogen is there, so its nucleus is only one proton. But helium, okay, the mass is more, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if somebody asks you, so do you know this electrons is related to
Sir, that
class
will be
10,
neutron, sir.
in class 10 you have studied electron is related to cathode rays,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And every time cathodes are electron only.
Yes, sir.
So if somebody asks you E by M ratio is cathode is constant or variable?
Constant.
Constant. But
Yes, sir.
sir.
yeah, proton or this thing, the positive rays, okay?
Anode.
They are, anode rays. They are associated with anode rays, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And anode rays are nothing. They are nucleus, positively charged nucleus, okay?
Yes, sir.
And positively charged nucleus, okay? Their mass will be constant or variable?
Variable.
Variable.
Yeah. So E by so we can write note E by M ratio of anode rays, okay, are what? Are variable. They are not constant, right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. How we can say that those are variable?
Because it depend upon nucleus, and if it depend upon nucleus, so in 10th you have seen this is the discharge tube.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the discharge tube. So, this is suppose positive electrode. This is negative electrode. So if you have filled, suppose hydrogen gas, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And when you have applied high voltage, okay, then this atom will crack or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
and this hydrogen is having what? Nucleus and electron.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand what I have written? Plus and minus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is this? This is hydrogen.
Yes, sir.
Inside
Yes,
one
sir.
nucleus is there and outside one electron is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so plus means proton and
Proton,
minus means electron.
electron.
Yes, sir.
So this is hydrogen,
Yes, sir.
and there is no such lines are there in an atom. There is no lines. Lines we are drawing for ourselves.
Yes, sir. Imaginary.
Imaginary. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you put more voltage, what will happen? This plus will try to attract what? Minus charge,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
and this minus will try to pull the positive charge.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
definitely there will be a cracking. This will migrate toward this. This is known as cathode rays,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and this is known as anode rays.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
so just see, this is electron, and this is nucleus, children. This one is this positive part.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So the
Okay, sir.
cathode rays are always electron only,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
but anode rays are nucleus, positively charged nucleus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So E by M ratio of electron is always constant.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you have, instead of hydrogen, if you have put helium gas, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
helium will be having what? So this is the nucleus, children.
Yes, sir.
Nucleus
Yes,
will be
sir.
having 2 proton, 2 neutron, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And these are electrons.
Yes, sir.
So if you have put high voltage, this electron will migrate this side.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, once it is minus is removed, this will become positive.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If electron is removed from helium, it will become positive charge or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And yes, better you write like this. Helium plus, and this is electron, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is known as cathode rays, and this is known as anode rays.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, helium plus, what is the weight of helium plus? Tell me. If somebody asks you to calculate E by M ratio of helium plus, so charge is only one, okay, 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb.
Yes, sir.
And what is
Yes,
the
sir.
mass of helium plus? Okay, 4 into
4.
1.67, right?
Yes, sir.
Into 10 to the power minus 27 kg.
27.
Yes, sir.
So this is the variable factor, C4. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's why cathode rays are constant, but anode rays are not constant.
They can vary from element.
Yeah, therefore they depend upon type of gases filled in the cathode tube. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Did you understand? Discharge tube, not cathode
Yes,
tube,
sir.
discharge tube. I think you got the point.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So next, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much voltage was given? Did you remember in class 10?
Forward, sir.
10,000.
10,000.
Nearly it was 10,000 nearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, high voltage, 10,000
Yes, sir. And sir, when the reaction hall, there was a
And
Pressure.
fluorescent
yeah,
light.
pressure was lowered down. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very low pressure, because if high pressure was there, no, this voltage could not work properly.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why pressure should be less. What was the pressure?
Sir, 0.
0.01
something, sir.
0.01
Yes, sir.
mm of mercury, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Pressure was very less.
Yes, sir.
If you will fill more gas will be there, no, so if more gases are there inside this voltage cannot work properly.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Remaining things you have done in class 10, so I have covered that topic which you haven't covered in class 10,
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
sir.
and that is known as E by M ratio, and who is constant and who is not constant. Okay,
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, right. Next question. Question, see, it is from page number 110, children, of our material. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, and question number 20. In this, which of the following relates, which of the following relates to photons, both as wave motion and as a stream, of particles, Option 1, interference.
So what have you written after wave?
Interference, and number 2, E equal to mc square, and diffraction, and fourth one is E is equal to h nu. Okay, what you have told, children? What are after what?
Wave.
Wave motion.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Sir, what you have written after following?
After
Following. Which of the following?
following relates.
Okay, sir.
Sir, wave motion means traveling in a wave.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the third option?
Diffraction.
diffraction.
I have a
So
doubt in third
yeah,
and fourth option.
wave. So who is this? Who is this?
Checking, sir.
Checking. Check
Checking.
fast. Check fast.
Got, sir. Writing.
Sir, check the chat box.
Okay. So particle means relation with. Okay. Relation with mass, and wave means relation with lambda or frequency, something like this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So which of the following relate photon, both wave motion
Second.
and hello?
Second option.
Second option.
In second
option.
in second option they are telling E is equal to mc square, but m is there, but we can't say that they are correctly utilizing the wave nature. But here see, E is equal to h into mu. We can use this equation like this, c by lambda, right?
Yes, sir.
But
So
the
here-
mass is not there.
Generally we consider when the photon is there, no? No?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
When we consider
Yes, sir.
photon, photon is a kind of array.
Sir, too much background noise.
Yes, sir.
Got it, sir. Writing name. Written, sir. Check box. Sir, again one came.
Okay, children. So if I ask you which is the better equation, children, which is the better equation, especially those who are including wave motion, which one is the better one?
Yes, sir.
Which equation is using the wave nature correctly?
Sir, fourth option.
Fourth option. That's why I have opted fourth. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next question. Question number 21.
Sir, I'm giving the name.
Sir, Sir, mute. I have written.
Yeah.
Sir, given sir.
One more is there, sir.
Question number 21, children. This noise is coming by
Yes, sir. I have.
Sir,
Sir,
we
given
haven't
in
muted,
chat,
sir.
sir. Sir, given in chat.
the
Got sir.
Sir, muted.
the photoelectric emission from a surface starts when the light incident upon the surface has certain minimum number one, intensity, number two, wavelength, okay, number three, frequency, and number four, velocity. Tell me, what will be the answer? Did you you have to recall what is photoelectric effect. So photoelectric effect means there is metal surface, electrons are there, and you have to incident one photon. And when photon hits this electron, okay, when photon hits this electron,
Yes, sir.
yeah, electron will be removed only when it has sufficient amount of energy, okay.
Yes, sir.
So it should have some energy, that is known as work function. Minimum energy should be required, otherwise this electron will be not removed, okay. So it has used the word minimum, okay. So
Yes, sir.
minimum, what should be minimum?
Sir, intensity, sir.
The frequency.
No,
Threshold frequency.
intensity word is number of photon. Intensity means number of photons.
Okay, sir.
Number of intensity will be used when you want, suppose you want to remove 10 electrons, okay,
Yes, sir.
not one electron. If you want to remove 10 electrons, then you have to send 10 photons,
Okay, sir.
okay.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay, sir.
intensity is not important factor. Wavelength, so
No, sir.
wavelength will be maximum, not minimum. Okay,
Yes, sir.
because more will be the wavelength, less will be the energy. So we want minimum energy, okay. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, sir, for minimum energy wavelength should be?
Maximum.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so the correct word is frequency because E is equal to h nu. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
And velocity of electromagnetic radiation is constant, children. No maximum, no minimum.
3 into 10 to the power 8.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Only confusion is in wavelength and frequency. So they have asked minimum. So minimum will be frequency.
See.
Did you understand?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Everybody understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question. What is the time left, children?
Time is
Sir, 10 minutes.
At
Wait.
10 minutes, sir.
Before 10 minutes, we have to do some CDF work also.
Okay, then we can start now.
Wait. Let me do the CDF work.
Sir, please share the CDF points also, sir, in the group.
Sir, share the CDF points.
Wait. I'm sharing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
See, the screen is came or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just have a look on this. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
please share this on the group, sir.
Already
Has
sent.
already shared.
Already sent. Please have look on that one group also. Okay.
Sir, it is not coming.
It didn't came, sir.
झूठ मत बोलो.
Yes, sir. Came, sir. Came.
चलो. Structure of atom. Okay. So see the specific charge. Just now I told you E by M ratio is also known as specific charge. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is also known as charge to mass ratio. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Of electron. Just now you calculated.
Yes, sir.
What is the value came?
Sir, for electron,
Huh?
sir, 1.74 into 10 to the power 11
Yeah.
coulomb per
Now,
kg.
so here exact value is written 1.1.7588820 into 10 to the power 11 coulomb per kg, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the E by M ratio of electron?
Sir, 1.78820 into 10 to the 11 coulomb per kg.
Yeah. Number 2, mass of electron is
9 point, sir, 9.18 na, sir.
9.11.
Sir, you wrote, sir, 18, sir.
I wrote 9.18, right?
Yes, sir.
You can write 9.18 also.
Okay, sir.
Let me correct it. 9.18. Wait. Nine 9.11 is only. You use it 9.11. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Okay. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Or if you want to convert into gram. Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
If you want to convert in gram, what will happen?
Remove 3.
You have to multiply by
3.
3.
1000. Okay.
Yes, sir. 10 to the power 3.
Please, any good student come into the chat. Any good student?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, children. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom is called
Atomic number.
Atomic number.
Right.
number.
Then hydrogen, deuterium, and tritium with same atomic number but different mass number are called
Isotope.
isotopes. Carbon 6, nitrogen 7. Okay, and these are mass numbers are same.
Atomic numbers are different.
Isobars, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hello. Hello. Children, our principal sir is there. Please listen carefully.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
My dear students, again weekend exam is before you. Saturday, Sunday, left over. Monday is your weekend exam. Your as you know, weekend exam is parts. Another one is mains type. Focus more on CDF. Automatically, your scoring will be in a better position for mains. This concept, definition, and formulae. Some of you read well, get the best mark. The best mark is 20 on 20. Don't waste your time. Revise, revise, and re-revise. You interact with yourself. You come and attend evening study. Practice well. Get the best mark. This is your best student. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank-
Please carry on, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, sir again boosted us. Okay. And encouraged to get more and more marks. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Bengal should be number 1 state throughout the India. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children. The number of protons, neutrons, and electrons in bromine 35 and 80. Can you calculate?
35.
Number of
number
neutrons.
of electrons.
Number of neutrons is A minus Z.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
50 minus 35.
Yeah. So simply you just 80 minus 35. How much it is?
Yes, sir.
45.
45.
55.
Then energy associated with a photon is given by
E
E
equals
is
to
equal to h nu.
Equal to h nu.
Planck's constant value is
6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule per second. Joule second.
if it is in joule second it is okay, or if it is in erg second, okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is
The
our
ejection of electron take place from the surface metal is known as,
Photoelectric
So
effect.
electric effect.
in equation h nu is equal to work function plus kinetic energy.
W denotes work function, Ke denotes kinetic energy.
kinetic energy.
Yes, sir.
Everything is known to you.
Yes,
sir.
The energy required to overcome the attractive forces between the nucleus and electron is
work
called.
function.
Work function.
Function.
Okay, so till here we have completed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Remaining we have to
Till how
complete.
much we have to read?
So till how much?
Till here only you have to read. Okay.
12.
12 points.
Okay, sir.
12
Okay,
points.
sir.
12 point for this week, and remaining for the remaining syllabus, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
For the
sir.
next week.
Yes, sir.
Sir, once
For
scroll up.
next week, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Bye bye.
sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
bye.
Quack, quack.
Bye, everybody.
Right, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye.